Hey everyone, I'm Abhinandan and I am back with some exciting news for you all. For the first time ever, we at the Edis Webmaster Bootcamp are running a full day workshop on how to design beautiful responsive landing pages. And we're running this workshop on Sunday, the 18th of October. If you're looking for a nice mini project to kind of add to your resume and impress potential recruiters, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and join us for the workshop on Sunday. In this workshop, we're going to take a look at how to design the landing page for one of the world's most important email services. Gmail is something you've heard of. Gmail is something everybody in the world has heard of. One of the most used web applications on the internet, and we are going to be designing the exact landing page that Google engineers have designed for Gmail. In this workshop, we will take a look at how to set up our IDE for web development. In this workshop, we'll also get a quick tour of some of the fundamentals of web typography, web design, web layouts. Finally, we're going to use a lot of modern CSS techniques here, okay, to help us build this fantastic landing page. But that's not all. We are going to make our landing page responsive, which means we're going to make it look really good even on mobile. So the same web page that you're going to design will look great on both mobile as well as desktop, just like the Gmail landing page does. There are 250 seats for this program. First come, first serve, guys. Alright, so if you're interested, and I am sure that you are interested, please go to the Edis Webmaster course on edis.com. You can check out the link in the description below, or you can go to bit.ly/edisweb or Edis Webmaster. Sign up for the bootcamp, and in the bootcamp, you'll be able to see the 2 workshop videos. All right, so we run live classes on edis.com. That's how we're going to conduct this. And you know what, let me just show you real quick how you can go ahead and book your class for yourself. All right, so to book your class, go on to www.edis.com, scroll down to the Edis Webmaster Bootcamp. By the way, there's an October sale going on. For the first 50 people, this bootcamp is now available at an unbelievable 75% discount. All right, so check that out. But to attend the workshop, you don't need to pay. This is a free workshop, but we're going to run it through the Edis Webmaster Bootcamp itself. So click on Start Now, scroll down, try one free module, log in with either Google or Facebook. So I'm going to log in via Google here. It's going to take me to this Webmaster Bootcamp dashboard, my Edis dashboard. And over here, you'll be able to see under this upcoming workshop section, you'll be able to see workshop Design Awesome Landing Pages part 1 and part 2. We're going to run this on Sunday in 2 parts. So we'll have a morning session and an afternoon session, about 1.5 hours each. So go ahead, click on book your class. And when the message comes across as booking successful, you'll be able to see that the link changes from book to join class. That means you can go ahead and join the class on the given date. So this one is on 18th October, 11 a.m. It's as simple as that. And while you're here, why don't you check out our free playground? There's a bunch of exercises for HTML, CSS, and Linux. You'll get a flavor for how it is that we at Edis teach you guys web development. 250 seats. Make sure you go ahead and book those, reserve your seats real fast. I'm going to be the guy who's going to take this session. You know me from the Edis videos. I love the web. I love everything related to web development. Not only am I a course instructor for the Edis Webmaster Bootcamp, but I write web applications for a living. I'm a professional full stack software developer with over 4 years of experience now, building both front end and back end applications, managing the infra at Edis. So join me for the bootcamp. Hopefully I'll be able to share and impart my experience, the things that I did well when picking up web development, and it's going to be a real fun experience for you guys. The schedule for the bootcamp is pretty straightforward. All right, it's in 2 parts because I didn't want to keep it too long. So we have a morning session and then we have an afternoon session. morning session, we're going to start off by setting up VS Code, just getting a feel for what it is that we want to build, breaking down the design, and then we're going to go ahead and build the nav bar and the footer sections. So what do I mean by that? Yeah, so you can see here, so we're going to start off in the morning session, we'll build the nav bar, we'll build the hero section, and we will also build the footer section over here. And in the afternoon session, we'll come back and we'll add the rest of the slides. We'll make it look really slick, we'll make it look really responsive. The last 1 hour of this entire bootcamp is all about making our website look amazing on mobile. So if you're interested, and I hope you're really interested by now, is this workshop for you? If you're asking this question, then there's a very simple answer. If you are interested in spending about 4 hours on a beautiful Sunday morning trying to build a front-end web project from scratch with beginner level HTML and CSS, then this webinar, this series of bootcamps, this series of workshops is for you. As for prerequisites, there aren't too many. Just some familiarity with HTML, CSS will work just as fine. What will really help is if you had an introduction to Flexbox. I'm sure you've heard of the terms Flexbox and Grid, but if you read up a little bit about it, would help you. In either case, I'm going to go through the main concepts that we use in the workshop itself. And finally, I want this to be a very interactive session where we actually write code. I'm not a big believer in giving lectures. So to make sure that your Sunday is as productive as mine, go ahead, make sure you attend the workshop on a laptop where you have the latest version of Chrome installed as well as VS Code. That's the code editor. And leave the rest up to me. I will help you build a brilliant landing page that you can use as a mini project on your resume to impress recruiters. That's all from my side, guys. Excited about Sunday, excited about seeing how many of you turn up. Let's kick some ass. Let's build a wonderful web project. See you on Sunday. Best of luck. Stay safe.